In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Zendesk theme. If you've ever wanted to give your Zendesk Help Center a fresh new look, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process of selecting and applying a new theme to create an engaging and professional experience for your users. Let's dive into it. First things first, you're going to want to open the theme editor. To do this, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Once you're in, look for the waffle icon, which you'll find at the top of your screen. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Knowledge, which was previously known as Guide. This will take you to the area where you can manage the design of your Help Center. Now that you've navigated to the right place, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see a small paintbrush icon labeled Customize Design. Click on that, and you'll enter the world of possibilities for customizing your Help Center's appearance. Next up, let's select a new theme. Still within the Customize Design section, find and click on Themes, which is conveniently located at the bottom of the sidebar. This option opens up a list of available themes, which includes both Zendesk-built options and a variety of marketplace themes created by other designers. This range gives you plenty of styles to choose from, ensuring you can find something that represents your brand wonderfully. As you browse through these themes, you might see a few that catch your eye. To help you make the best choice, you have two preview options. The first is View Demo Website. Click this to explore a live demo of how the theme looks in action. Alternatively, you can click Preview on your website. This lets you see how the theme would mesh with your actual content, giving you an accurate depiction of your Help Center's potential appearance. Once you've found a theme that resonates with your vision, it's time to make it yours. To do this, find the theme you love and click Select just beneath it. This action highlights the theme with a selected flag, indicating that this is your choice. But remember, we're not quite done yet. To ensure your selected theme is applied to your Help Center, you'll need to click Save. This final step locks in your changes and updates the appearance of your Help Center immediately, or as soon as you publish the changes. That's it! You've successfully updated your Zendesk theme, giving your Help Center a vibrant and fresh look. Remember, you can always return to the theme editor if you feel like trying out a new theme in the future. Thanks for joining me on this journey today, and I hope you have fun creating a beautiful Help Center experience for your users.